Once we know that the question is what will my day be like and the answer is 5 of Wands, our first step is to recall the meanings of the card 5 of Wands. Now we remember that the fives represent problems, losses and fears. We also know that Wands is about action, it is about passion, it is about workplace. Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Zazen Tarot Space. Continuing with our sample reading series, the question that we have taken up today is what will my day be like? We have used the same 30 cards, that is the aces to fives, 20 cards and about 10 of the initial major arcana tarot cards. Also, since this reading is meant for beginners, we have taken only upright meaning of cards. We are studying without taking any reversals in this reading. So in response to the question, what will my day be like? I shuffled the cards and laid them out and picked up one single tarot card since this is a single card reading. The card I drew was the 5 of Wands. We have already covered this card in our lessons. In the top right corner, in the cards section, I am adding the link to all 3 videos, namely the fives of the number series, the fives reversed of the number series, as well as the 5 of Wands meaning. In case you haven't seen these videos, you can go and watch the videos. So once we know that the question is what will my day be like and the answer is 5 of Wands, our first step is to recall the meanings of the card 5 of Wands. Now we remember that the fives represent problems, losses and fears. We also know that Wands is about action, it is about passion, it is about workplace. And further we have seen in our 5 of Wands video that 5 of Wands is about disagreeing. It is about being in the middle of a disagreement, in the middle of a hassle. It is about experiencing competition in the workplace. Also, it can be about inner or outer conflict. So when we say that our day today will be like the 5 of Wands, we can conclude and predict that today we may either experience competition in our workplace. People around us, our colleagues, may be in the competitive mood. They may take up a challenge, you may take up a challenge. If it is positive, if it runs into the extreme, there may be some kind of a confrontation. There could be a fight in the personal sphere. There could be some form of disagreement with the people around you, some quarreling, some argument, or if it is not too big, then at least some kind of dissension or bickering could be there. Or probably if it represents an internal issue, then probably internally you may feel torn between different directions, different things that can be done or need to be done. You could probably feel annoyed by too many demands or too many things that need to be taken care of. All in all, you can expect a day which is filled with action, filled with some kind of disagreement or competition. Feel free to post in the comments section how you interpret the 5 of Wands in response to this question. And in the next sample reading, we will experiment with a new question. Om friends.